How to fix Pinterest sign-in error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see some steps that's gonna help you fix if you are facing some of the Pinterest sign-in error or Pinterest not working error. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, check your internet connection and ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You can always switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and check whether that's going to help you solve your problem or not. If still not, make sure that your Pinterest application is up to date. So to look for the updates, open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar type in Pinterest, tap on it. Here, if the application needs update, tap on update and wait for a while until the process is complete. After the application is updated, go back, open up the application and try to log in again and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, now open up settings in your device. Head towards applications or apps. Tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right and in the search bar, type in Pinterest. Tap on it. That's gonna land you to the app info page. Here, tap on storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove all the glitches or bugs from the application. That's going to help you solve your problem. After that, go back once and head towards permissions and make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions for the Pinterest application to work properly. Now, after you do that, you can close the settings and then open up Pinterest and try to re-log in again. If that still does not help you, then you can try to log in from different browser or PC. And that's how you can fix if the Pinterest sign-in error occurs in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.